Do you think Microsoft is doing that better than other AI leaders? I mean, AI is on everyone's top of mind. How do you think Microsoft is performing in the overall landscape?
From a technical perspective, remembering that Microsoft is kind of like Azure is the underlayman structure that these things run on. So like ChatGPT like runs on Azure. Like it's the biggest application in the universe. It's bigger than Netflix as far as like number of users, and it's all running on Azure. But Azure is model non-specific. You can run Claude, you can run OpenAI, you can run whatever you want. So you can run any operating system, you can run any AI model. Um, but just as you wouldn't put a virtual machine on the web without a firewall, you would not want to put a large language model on the internet without a firewall. So I do think Microsoft, with the Azure content filtering services, putting a responsible AI firewall around LLMs, we're definitely uh, at the forefront of safe and responsible AI. You don't want a coffee shop AI giving therapy advice. You don't want a GitHub Copilot coding AI to start giving you recipes. Those kinds of firewalls, I think Microsoft is far more conservative in a good way, precise and grounded in their models. And we even have AI models that check those models for responsibility and correctness. And you have folks like Mark Russinovich. You can go and see some of his red teaming articles. Red teaming is when you forcibly attack the AI and try to get it to do problematic things. That allows us to then prevent the AIs from doing that. So he has whole teams, working on making our AIs safer. I think that we're doing better than others, and I think that's something to think about when you're putting together an AI project.